Hi, it's Donna Robertson with Fabric Cafe. Welcome to our next segment of the Super Anniversary Sale. We are so excited about that. We went back to the warehouse and we just picked and chose and cleaned out little cubby holes where we might have one kit left, and we've got them all for you, and you can see them in 6 different videos. So every one of the quilts you see today is a lap size quilt made with a pattern that comes from one of our books. We have 7 in print and we have 3 that are download only. Every book has 8 patterns. Every pattern in our printed versions have 3 sizes that you can use to make your quilt. You can make a lap quilt with 1 kit, you can make a twin with 2 kits, and you can make a king queen with 4 kits. So let's get started and see all of the miscellaneous kits that we found in the warehouse. So now this particular kit is called Porch Rails, and we're showing you quilts, and then we're going to show you fabric we think would look best in this particular fabric. So this one is Porch Rails, and it's done with 2 super simple blocks, and we have some really cute, and I'll try not to sing the song, but it's going through my head. The Jetsons. So I can remember watching this when my kids were little. So this is absolutely adorable fabric. My favorite color is green. I should have worn a green dress today. Okay, so that's our focus fabric. This is our number 2 fabric. You actually compare these two. Pick your lightest for number 2, your darkest for number 3. So if you were to look over here at your quilt, this is your focus fabric, your light, and your dark. And when you select your focus fabric and take it out of the equation, figure out these 2 with your light and your dark, it will work every time with these easy to follow patterns. So this one is kit number 8021278. Meet the Jetsons. Porch Rails is your pattern, and it's available as an individual pattern. You'll get it free when you buy 1 kit. Or you can skip taking the 1 pattern and get a book free when you buy 3 kits. And that's any 3 kits, whether it's a full price kit or a sale kit. So check that out. Now this one will also look adorable, and I do like this. I really like to cook, and so a cute little kitchen quilt, it would just be perfect. I even have a picture on my wall that looks like stacked bowls. Okay, so here you have all your kitchen items. That's going to be in your largest block. And then you have 2 remaining. You compare your light and your dark to get your light and dark positions. So when you're looking at the pattern, it calls for fabric 1, 2, and 3. You always arrange it that way. Okay, here is your kit number 8021279. Country, is that country? I'm reading upside down. Country Chef. Porch Rails is your pattern, and again, you can either take an individual pattern. Any one of my patterns will work with any one of the 3 yard bundles. So you get it free with the kit, or skip that, buy 3 kits, and you can get the book free. There are only 3 of these remaining, and it would make an adorable quilt to throw over the back of a chair and use on chilly mornings, or you could even make a wall hanging for your kitchen. Now the next one that's using Porch Rails, this one is Hockey Time. So we have a really nice miscellaneous grouping of fabrics today. So you have all the different masks here for your focus fabric. That'll go in your largest spot. And then again, you compare, and your light will go in this section, and your dark will go in this section. And when you get through, you'll have a great quilt. This one, there's only 2 left. The kit number is 8021280. Hockey Time is 2 is the name of the kit. Porch Rails is your pattern, or you can take the book when you buy 3. Pretty darn quick, has the pattern Porch Rails. Now the next one is called So Quick. This is probably our number 1 all-time, hands down, best-selling pattern. It's great for people who have not quilted before, so if you're a beginner, you'll love it. It goes together so fast. And if you are an experienced quilt, this is the one you make when somebody calls and says, we have a baby shower day after tomorrow. Would you make me a quilt? And I think all of us have had that happen to us at least once. It has a big 10-inch block, and it has a 4-patch made with 5-inch blocks. So we'll put that up here, and we've got some great fabric. All right, and here we have, okay, John, okay, good. They have the words here. I always get Star Trek and Star Wars mixed up. Okay, we got a Star Trek quilt fabric here, and that's your focus fabric, with your porch rails being made out of matching companion fabrics. This is great. Now this one is 8021281 Picard. That's So Quick pattern, and that is available as the free pattern with the kit, or it's available in the book Quilt Favorites. Quilt Favorites is actually a downloadable book, so if you buy 3 kits and you pick the book, we will send you a code so that you can download that book. Now this one is great, so if your hobby is sewing, and it probably is if you're watching this video, then you will like this cute one with all the spools of thread and the pins, and I really like this one. And it has the 2 companion fabrics. It would also be a great gift for one of your sewing friends, whether you make them a quilt or you just buy them a cute little kit. This is the last chance. There are only 2 remaining. 8021282, and this is hand sewn, again made with this pattern. So your focus fabric is going to go in your largest block, and you'll make your 4 patch out of the 2 companion fabrics. Oh, this is fun, and it's warming up down here, and I was talking to a friend just yesterday, and she was telling me that they've already started going camping every weekend. She and her husband love to camp. So let's have some campers. Or you might know somebody that lives in a mobile home, motor home. So here you have your cute little campers, and that's your focus. It's going to go in that 10-inch block, and then your number 2 and 3 fabrics really pick up with that yellow and the teal, with all of the teal in your campers. This one, there's only 1 left, so 1 happy customer is going to get this one. 8021283. Camping Out is the name of the kit. So Quick is your pattern, and Quilt Favorites is the book. Now, I will mention to you that we're showing you lots and lots of kits on the website, but we are adding even more that you will not see in the videos, but they will be available on our website. So be sure to check it out at fabriccafe.com. The next quilt, this is another one that's really popular. It's great when you have 2 what I call like a little busier kind of fabrics. So if you've got a little bit busier fabrics, almost like having 2 focus fabrics, then this one is great. The pattern is called Tic Tac, and we're going to put that up here. And here's our absolutely cute. I am a crazy cat lady. I admit it. I haven't found a meeting for such a thing, but I could probably have great conversations with my cats. All right, so these are the kitties. They're your focus fabric. And what I will usually do is just pick 2 focus fabrics that look good together, and then I pick the sashing fabric. So this is our number 1 fabric, and we're going to put that in this big 10-inch block. And then you see how that has little cute little flowers? Well, we have a floral that goes with this that will go in the number 2 position. Now the 3rd position is going to be this green, and it's going to go in your sashing. So it's a great little gardening kind of looking quilt. And I think I lost my piece of paper here. All righty. 8021284. And this is Meow Meadows. Tic Tac is your pattern, and Easy Peasy is your book. So you can either take this 1 pattern free or skip the pattern, and you can get the book Easy Peasy, and that does have your pattern in it. Now you notice that some of these don't tell you how many there are in the kits left. That means that we have more of these kits. We only tell you last chance, so that if you're really in love with it, you won't think too long before you get over there and buy it, because we don't want to run out. Okay, here's Tic Tac. Here's another one. Just adorable fabric. This one only has 2 left, and you have 2 different coffee, like, so I think this is called Thanks a Latte. Cute name. So this is the coffee cups, and that's going to go in your number 1 spot. Your number 2 spot is going to be your heart, and your number 3 spot will be your sashing. That's cute. Only 2 left. Tic Tac is your pattern, and the book is easy peasy. Be sure to check out at fabriccafe.com for these great deals. Now the next one that we have is called Sweet Times. Now the difference between Tic Tac and Sweet Times is Tic Tac has 2 busy fabrics that are in the blocks. This one has 1 busy fabric, or focus fabric. I guess I shouldn't call it busy. It's focus fabric. So here we have our focus fabric in every single block, and then it is bordered by another fabric to give them separation. And I think that really helps whenever you have a very active focus fabric. Okay, big 10-inch block. One is bordered in one fabric. The other one is bordered into another one, and it just gives you a great looking quilt. Now this one, okay, now this one is Star Trek, John? Okay, so this is Star Trek, and that's going to be your focus fabric. And see how we did it differently? This time we have 1 focus fabric. It's going to go in every single block, and then one of the blocks will be bordered with the number 2 fabric. One of the fabrics will be with the number 3 fabric. So border the other block. We have the 8021, 286, To Boldly Go. So Sweet Times is your pattern, and it's also from the book Easy Peasy. And gratefully, we have extras of these, so be sure to check that out right away. Even when we have 10 or 15 kits, they kind of go fast. So, got to do that right away. Now, the next one is for Superwoman. This one's a cutie pie. So, here we have all of the cool, empowered lady characters here. And it's called Superwomen. So, that's going to be your big block. It'll go in every one of the blocks and be bordered by, excuse me, the number 2 or the number 3 fabrics. And let me get a drink of water. So again, focus fabric and color number 2 and 3. And our number is 8021-287. Super Women. Sweet Times is your pattern. Easy Peasy is your book. We only have 2 left of the Super Women. And here we have another cute one that kind of is reminiscent of the kitchen-y look. It'd be a great tablecloth. It would also be a cute picnic blanket. So you have your bowls that are all stacked up there in your focus fabric. That'll go in your number 1 spot. The number 2 is going to be where the red is, and the number 3 is going to be where the black is. And that is going to be so cute. This one is 8021-288. Bowl Collection. Sweet Times is your pattern from the book Easy Peasy. This one was really popular. There's only 1 remaining. Now we also have what we're calling Last Chance. We're not going to show you specific quilts because we have other patterns that you might enjoy as well. So the first one is another sewing fabric. All of these are going to be Last Chance with smaller inventory. The number 2 fabric is the white, and the number 3 is your black. And this is actually kind of a light, real pale gray with the stripe on it. So that's kind of nice. This one, there are 3 remaining. The number is 8021-289. Antique Sewing. Bold Blocks is your pattern, and this is a little bit more of a asymmetrical design that's kind of a modern look. And Pretty Darn Quick is your book. So this pattern is in Pretty Darn Quick if you're going to do a book instead of an individual pattern. Okay, this one, this is great. Paris Dreams. So here's your Eiffel Tower, and you can see all the the stamps, the postal stamps, I guess, for mailing postcards back home. And that's your focus fabric. This is your number 2 and your number 3. Great collection here. I really like that. And we are recommending on this one Town Square. Now, Town Square has the same focus fabric block, and the way that this looks when you get through using these two to surround the block is it makes it look like your Eiffel Towers are just floating on top of the surface. There's only one remaining on this one, so you'll want to jump right over and get that. Another sewing kit, only one remaining. But we have these really bright, colorful sewing items with the little polka dots, and we've got polka dots to match. So we've got our focus fabric. Our light is our number 2, and the dark is the number 3. Very, very cute. There's only one remaining of this, and the number is 8021291. So Sassy 2, and we're recommending the 9 patch. So your focus fabric would be in the big block, and your 9 patch would be made with those 3. So that's our miscellaneous section. We have more videos coming up, so be sure to watch. And I'm going to ask again, what's next?
Miscellaneous.
Oh, miscellaneous is next. What was this one called? Hobbies and Interest. Well, I've just told you all the way through that they're miscellaneous, but I guess they're miscellaneous hobby and interest, huh? Okay. So, more great kits soon. Donna Robertson with Fabric Cafe. Visit fabriccafe.com to get these great deals.